this lecture we are going to create the 3D model of example 21 drawing attached with this lecture. You can see this is the drawing for which we are going to generate the 3D model. When you see any 3D model, you have to decide which base sketch you have to create so that it will define the base solid. And after that, on the base solid, you will select the planes and the features and you can generate the sketch and use the pocket or other tools. When you analyze this body, you can take this 150 into 100 rectangle in the base and use pad to create a 80 mm height solid body. It will be a cuboid block. And then you can create this step portion as a sketch and cut it by using the pocket. Then you can create this triangle and cut it by using pocket. But what we can do is directly I can create this sketch. This entire sketch, that is this face, we are going to create in this vertical plane and use pad to a value of 100 to create this solid. Only we will remain with this, which we can create it very easily. So it is very important for you to analyze which is the base sketch that you are going to create. That will define the complexity of your model making process. Let us start. I'll take sketch and I'll take this plane. Let us create a profile. Click on profile. Let us select origin. Make a horizontal line. Then a vertical line. Then another horizontal line. Vertical. Horizontal. Vertical. I can create this constraint, which is coincidence. When this tracking line comes, you can click. Automatically the coincidence symbol will be appearing, which we require. From now on, use this power of auto constraints to create your sketch easily. You can see I have created the sketch. Now double click on dimensioning. Let us give a dimension to this. Double click 80. And this is a value 25. This is 20. Double click 20. Take this length 20. Now this is also 20 and this length is 20. Now we are left out with only this line. Double click 150. Finish the sketch. Use pad. Select the sketch. We'll use mirror extend and we will give half of the total value that we require. 100 divided by 2. Enter. You can see it has been created symmetric about the plane. Now we'll take sketch, this face, and create the triangle. Now we'll take this line and this edge, coincidence. Now we'll take this point and vertical, coincidence. We'll take this line and this axis, symmetry. Now we'll give the dimensions. From this edge to this point, this value is 25. Now from this top to this point, this is a value 45. Exit workbench. We'll take pocket, select the sketch and give a value. This is 50 and this is the 3D model that we wanted to make.